I'll show you how to configure your lab's letterhead and signatures. I'm on the print settings page of a lab report. Click on letterhead. Leave the enable autocropping option checked. You can see there's no letterhead uploaded in the preview. Get the letterhead JPG from the place where you get the letterhead printed or from a graphic designer with the file size not exceeding 100 KB. To upload the letterhead, click on choose file. I'm uploading a sample letterhead. Open, update. The letterhead has been uploaded. Note that we didn't make any changes to the settings. So to do that, take the hard copy of the letterhead, measure the header and the footer height using a centimeter scale. Now you can make changes to these default settings. My letterhead's header height is 5 cm. I'll leave the footer as 3.4 and update. You can see the settings has been updated and a little gap in the footer. For that, you need to make some adjustments to the signature area height. I'm reducing it to be 2.7 and update. You can see that the letterhead now fits perfectly. You can use with letterhead option when sending the digital copy of the report. You can uncheck this option when the report is ready to be printed. Now to configure signatures, click on signatures. You can add up to 4 signatures, that is lab in charge, doctor, third and fourth signature. You can uncheck the show lab in charge signatures if you don't want the lab in charge signature to be seen on the report. These are the preloaded sample signatures. You can click on delete option to delete them and choose file to add the signature. And update their names. Now click on update. You can see that the lab in charge and the doctor signatures are updated successfully. Now moving on to the general settings. These are the default options set. You can change the PDF font size and the spacing. You can enable use QR code option, so the QR code will be seen on the report. You can easily scan the QR code and get the PDF format of the report. You can enable use high or low marker for numeric test results. You can show abnormal results in red and also show abnormal results in bold. You can show the test ordered, the patient address. You can enable use NABL report format to print the sample tracking info. When you update, you can see the sample registered on, collected, received and reported on info. And these are the TAT info settings.